Wow! Ooh.
Good afternoon, good evening, good day. This is Ode Terence. Welcome to Armin's channel. Anyway guys, sorry, hindi ako magaling mag-intro. Pero isisingit lang namin itong content na to. No?
Yes.
Oo. Si Armin kasi, actually, matagal na naming dalawa, nakikurious kami dito. It's Swiss Arabian Incense 01.
Yeah.
I'll be honest, hirap ako i-pull yung trigger. Kasi, guys, for those who don't know, ang Swiss Arabian, may kamahalan siya for an ME brand. And, guys, 50 ml.
Sakit.
Straightforward, 4K something siya.
Yeah.
So, it's not something that we are used to pay for an ME.
Yes.
But kung totoo ang chismis, sabi kasi nila ang Swiss Arabian parang iba yata ang quality compared sa ibang ME brands.
Yes.
Now today namin malalaman kung totoo nga since ito rin yung first Swiss Arabian bottle ko.
Yes.
So sabi ko, Armin, wala na, ito na. I pulled the trigger.
Nagulat na lang ako
It's a crazy blind buy.
Oo.
Kinakabahan ako. But
Kung ano ba ang kalabasan ng amoy nito, hindi pa namin naaamoy.
so far, maganda ang reviews online. Sana, totoo nga.
Yeah.
Kasi kinakabahan kami, lalo na mainit panahon natin.
Yeah.
Hindi natin alam kung babagay ba siya sa atin. Pero,
Or suitable ba siya pang fall and winter ba to? Or pang summer and spring?
okay. Without further ado, Swiss Arabian Incense 01.
Let's
First
do...
impressions.
Sure! Game! Sige, dito. Naaamoy ko na.
Okay.
Wow! That is a wow!
Wow!
Hindi namin to giniglaze, ha? Napawaw talaga kami, ha? What
Wow.
the wow?
Armin,
That is a wow, wow, wow,
guys,
wow, wow.
goosebumps. Goosebumps.
Sobrang bango.
I can't fake this. Sobrang goosebumps, Armin.
Wow. Ang tagal ko nang hindi pa nakakaamoy na parang yung tipong wow ka talaga sa pabango, no? Ibang level, grabe.
Okay,
I didn't expect na ganito yung kalabasan nitong pabango na to.
first impressions, Armin.
It's incensey na hindi yung incensey na parang talagang nilalagay sa simbahan na yung tipong parang mauusukan ka, masusulasok ka, insenso na very smooth lang, yung maganda yung hagod sa ilong. Ikaw ba, ano pa ba naamoy mo dyan?
First impressions ko, yes, the incense is there.
Yeah.
Pero aminin ko, I'm so intimidated because my experience with incense, sometimes medyo polarizing siya. And it's a struggle kung kailan ko siya masusuot. Because, actually, upon first sniff, the first thing that came to my mind, wow, parang this came out straight from the house of Amouad.
So, oo nga. Imagine mo,
But-
who would ever thought about that na they could release something gantong klaseng pabango?
I mean, the quality of frankincense ba yun?
Oo.
Kasi medyo
That's frankincense.
signature siya ng Amouad, di ba? But, hindi siya sobrang strong eh.
Oo.
It's an incense na, paano ba? It's classy.
Oo.
It's, for me, I see myself wearing this eh. Paano pa ba?
Para siyang it's like they released a perfume in a ME category sa magandang presyo that everyone can afford. Ganun yung datingan niya for me. Hindi lang incense na amoy ko eh. May naaamoy din akong parang parang soapy quality. May konting tobacco. There is a hint of parang spiciness
Spicy,
sa
yes.
background. May peppery konti.
But again baka maano kayo sa word na spicy.
Oo.
Again, this is done in a very smooth and
Ang sarap ng blend niya.
non-offensive way eh.
Oo nga eh. Parang sa tingin ko, hindi ka incense lover, if hindi ka pa nakakamoy ng incense, kung sino man makaamoy nito, baka ma-love at first sniff ka sa itong pabango na to.
Saka
Kahit
parang,
blind buy.
parang may napipick up ako something boozy.
Ay, oo nga, no, may
And
pagka...
Parang something nutty.
Oo, meron siya. Pero, maybe a rum? Pero boozy, may tobacco din akong naaamoy sa background, eh.
Alam mo, sabi nila, this is George Clooney in a bottle. Okay.
George Clooney na battle. So,
Si-
parang artistahin talaga, no, yung datingan.
Well, kasi si George Clooney is very manly,
Oo.
gwaping. Ano yung parang,
Balbasarado.
yung mga roles niya is yung parang rich, sophisticated,
Oo.
parang middle-aged, handsome guy who's well put together.
Oo.
Parang ganun yung vibes eh.
Yeah. Ito
Parang-
yung pabango na they didn't just release it like this. They release it in a very strategically way. Yung hindi tipong parang blend lang. Oy, release na natin to pang masa. Makabenta lang tayo, okay na yun. No. Talagang pinag-isipan nila, sino ba ang target market nila dito? Are the consumers going to appreciate this perfume since we put it incense 01? But kasi minsan sa mga collectors out there, pag sinabi mo incense, ma-off-put kayo agad eh na, ay parang incense, ayoko niyan. Pero ang tanong, hindi mo pa nga naaamoy. Why don't you parang give it a shot, 'di ba, sa itong pabango na to?
Guys, when we say well-blended, again, incense kasi nakaka-intimidate eh. Pero parang ang ganda ng ratio niya, ang ganda ng timpla niya, na walang sopawan.
Oo, wala
if
nga
that makes sense.
Oo. May naaamoy ka bang parang konting boozy cola?
Mm-mm.
Coca-Cola? Naamoy mo? There is this boozy Coca-Cola is just popped up right now.
Yes, it reminds me of Bulgari Man.
Bulgari Man in Black.
Man in Black, yes. But with
Wow!
incense,
Oo, grabe.
grabe lakas makagwapo nito.
Sobrang lakas.
Old money vibes.
Yes,
No?
sobra. Parang kung ako susuotin ko to, dapat nakapormado talaga ako.
Yes.
Yung tipong naka-jacket ako, naka-leather shoes or loafers na tingan.
Or kahit sabihin mo lang nakapolo ka, pag sinuot
Sobrang
mo
lakas
to,
ng dating ano.
it screams wealth eh. It screams intelligence. It screams wisdom.
Wow!
It screams na... Actually, it doesn't scream eh.
Baba.
Parang it projects. Wala akong kailangan ipa-impress eh.
Oo, pabango lang.
Pero talagang parang pag naamoy ka, mapapatingin sa'yo yung tao, ano kaya mayroon dito?
Oo nga eh. Makikurious sila eh. Na,
Yes.
sino ba tong tao na to? Diba?
Ang
Grabe
social niya.
Sobrang social. Parang, yung inispray mo nga to, nanghihinayang ako eh. Kasi, for the price, imagine mo 50 ml, extrait de parfum. Ang hirap mag-back up bottle nito since ganito yung presyo niya. Pero for those mga collectors out there, sa tingin ko, barya lang to sa inyo eh. Di ba?
Armin,
Grabe.
4K plus for a 50 ml bottle. Guys, this is worth it. Ano to?
It's like a niche.
Parang ultra niche.
Sa tingin ko, if this perfume, if let's say, may lumapit na isang brand, sikat na brand, let's say Roja, Dior Private Line, Bulgari Private Line, YSL Private Line, bilhin nila tong formula na to, it could be on a price ng 20 to 30,000 pesos.
Yes.
But this Swiss Arabian, they're trying to compete with mga niche brands out there, giving us for the low price, mga 4K price, giving you a very ultra niche perfume na
Actually,
pwede rin siya pang masa.
Hindi na nga 4K yan eh. Pag 100 ml yan. So, parang 7-8K na
Oo,
yan.
pero at least para na siyang designer level or parang niche level na
But
nasa
guys,
7K plus pataas kasi mga niche or designer. Eh.
Nakakatakot ang mga ME houses. I'm
Yeah.
telling you, parang they're really a threat to the niche
To the niche
market.
and designer brands out there, and not only designer and niche, even yung mga artisan brands out there in the whole country, kabahan na kayo kasi they're ibang level.
Ibang level.
I'm so impressed with this brand. Although nakatry na ako ng mga Swiss Arabian dati, matagal na akong impressed sa kanila, mas lalo akong tumaas yung tiwala ko sa brand na to. I think this is a brand that it needs to get more spotlight especially itong line nila, may Patchouli 01, which is their newest release, may tobacco something,
Vanilla.
Vanilla 01, ang dami nilang nirelease. Hopefully, we will get our nose to those
Wag na muna
releases.
yun. Medyo mahapdi eh. Pero ito,
Ibang level, no?
blind by success. I'm so happy.
Sobrang saya ko dito sa itong release na to. I think other brands should see Swiss Arabian giving this kind of a quality fragrance. Dapat ganahan din at ma-motivate din yung ibang brands na ganito rin yung level na ibigay nila sa consumers out there.
Kumbaga guys, ako, ang take ko dyan, syempre ME karamihan sa atin stepping stone eh.
Oo.
Ngayon pag medyo may budget tayo,
Yeah.
you would explore designer or niche. Sa akin wag na kayo lumayo. Nasa ME na rin yung mga
High quality.
blends na parang niche.
Oo.
And put it into perspective, kahit 4K ito,
Oo.
for something that's niche quality, not bad pa rin yung
Not,
presyo.
not bad, not
Oo.
bad. As I said a while ago, this could be on a Roja bottle. Kung it's like a pain in the ass, you don't wanna pay for Roja. I don't like Roja brand. Ako, bias ako sa brand na yan. I really hate that brand. But this brand will put you together if you are a collector and if you are a niche lover or artisan brands out there. We urge you try this brand, discover mo tong brand na to. Maybe you might not be love at first sniff, but after several wearings, you might enjoy this one and you might even recommend it to your other friends. How would you rate this one, Boss Terence?
Really? 10 out of 10. Guys, never pa yata ako nagbigay ng 10 out of 10.
Ngayon lang yata nangyari yung first 10 out of 10 mo,
Hanggang
Boss
ngayon,
Terence.
nagkaka-goosebumps ako.
Grabe. Sobrang quality. Sobrang
Ay, nako.
quality. And, yeah, grabe. Quality as it speaks itself. For me, mas lalo pa akong naintriga. Ano pa kaya yung mga nirelease ng Swiss Arabian, yung mga Casablanca line and other line? Let us
Pag-ipunan
know.
ko yan.
Ha?
Pag-ipunan ko yan.
Pang gatekeep ba, Boss Terence?
Yung Casablanca pag-ipunan ko. Pero ito, guys, actually, hindi natin kailangan i-gatekeep eh. Kasi I think,
Everyone should discover
as of
this
now,
brand.
parang mahirap rin siya ma-secure eh. And
Oo nga eh.
Yun nga, yung the cost of ownership medyo challenging eh.
Yes, kasi 50 ml lang siya. Maybe sa mga collectors out dyan, baka mag-isip kayo na we want 100 ml bottle sa ganyang presyo. But wag nyo muna isipin yon. Dito na pumapasok, Boss Terence, yung quantity versus quality. Tama ba o mali? This one, for the 50 ml, it gives you a very high quality juice. Okay?
Alam mo, it also reminds me of one fragrance.
Anong naalala mo fragrance dito?
Remember Hugo Boss Bottled Absolute?
Oh, yeah.
But done in an ultra niche level.
Pwede. Grabe. Nothing else to say, Boss Terence?
Guys, Boss Terence in a bottle. Joke lang. Sobrang panalo talaga.
And yeah, let us know in the comment section what is your favorite from the Swiss Arabian brand perfume. And have you tried this line? What's your experience about it? Have you tried Incense 01? Is it a hate? Is it a like? Or is it a love? Till next time, Fragrance Family, love you all. Spray nga tayo, Boss Terence.
Wag! Bango.